Welcome back to Luxury Cars Zone, your one-stop destination for all things premium on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated naked street fighters of the year, the 2025 KTM Duke. This motorcycle has been creating buzz ever since KTM hinted at a major update, and now that it's finally here, it's clear that KTM has pushed the boundaries yet again in the world of performance bikes. The 2025 KTM Duke lineup carries forward the aggressive design language that has become a trademark of the series, but it now looks even sharper, more muscular, and unmistakably modern. The bodywork has been sculpted for a more aerodynamic and aggressive look, with redesigned tank shrouds and a split-LED headlamp that immediately grabs attention. The updated paint schemes and premium graphics give the bike a premium street presence, perfectly matching its performance capabilities. One of the biggest highlights this year is the updated engine platform. The 2025 Duke 390, for instance, gets a brand new 399cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that not only delivers more power but also improves on refinement. KTM has managed to squeeze out a solid 44 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its segment. For those looking at the bigger options, the 2025 Duke 790 and Duke 990 take things to an entirely new level. The 990 Duke now offers nearly 123 horsepower, blending razor-sharp dynamics with brutal acceleration. KTM has also reworked the chassis and frame to improve handling and rider confidence. The new frame is lighter yet stiffer, offering a more planted ride at high speeds and better feedback through corners. The subframe is now a die-cast aluminum unit, which not only reduces weight but also adds to the premium feel of the bike. Combined with an updated WP Apex suspension setup adjustable in the higher-end models, the 2025 Duke feels like it's built for precision and control on any terrain. Electronics have also taken a major leap forward this year. The 2025 KTM Duke comes equipped with a full-color TFT display that's more intuitive and feature-rich than before. Riders can now access a range of customizable settings, including multiple ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS, and even launch control in the top-spec models. The Quick Shifter Plus system ensures seamless gear shifts, allowing you to ride more aggressively without losing momentum. Bluetooth connectivity and turn-by-turn navigation also add to the daily usability of this hardcore machine. Ergonomically, KTM has made subtle yet effective changes. The seat height is slightly more accessible, the handlebars are wider and better positioned for aggressive riding, and the footpeg placement offers improved comfort for both spirited riding and everyday use. The seat itself has more padding, which is a welcome change, especially for those planning longer rides. Braking duties are handled by high-performance Brie or Brembo calipers depending on the model, with large disc setups both front and rear. The braking performance is sharp, consistent, and confidence-inspiring, even under hard braking scenarios. Dual-channel ABS is standard across the range, with the Supermoto mode allowing skilled riders to slide the rear without compromising front-end safety. The new exhaust design not only contributes to better performance but also enhances the oral experience. The 2025 Duke sounds throatier, more aggressive, and definitely more premium than previous models. This gives the rider a visceral connection with the machine, a raw, mechanical soundtrack that matches the performance figures on paper. In terms of competition, the 2025 KTM Duke series is now clearly leading the pack. Whether you're looking at the sub-500cc category or even the leader-class naked bikes, the new Dukes offer a serious combination of style, technology, and raw performance. Compared to rivals like the Yamaha Mount series, the Triumph Trident, or even the Honda CB range, KTM is offering better power-to-weight ratios, richer electronics, and a sharper riding experience. Fuel efficiency has also seen an improvement, thanks to revised IQ mapping and engine optimization. While exact numbers may vary depending on riding conditions, the 390 Duke continues to offer a solid blend of performance and mileage, making it not just a weekend machine but also a viable choice for daily commuting. The 2025 KTM Duke lineup proves that KTM isn't just updating for the sake of change. Every element from the body design and electronics to the engine and suspension has been rethought and refined. The result is a motorcycle, or rather a family of motorcycles, that's more aggressive, more intelligent, and more capable than ever before. Whether you're a new rider looking to step into the world of performance biking, or a seasoned enthusiast craving more thrills, there's a 2025 Duke tailored just for you. That's all for today's detailed look at the 2025 KTM Duke. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth videos on the hottest bikes and luxury cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Luxury Cars Zone, and we'll catch you in the next ride.